Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I have got another PluieSoleil teapot. Look at the design of this one. This is a 1200 ml teapot. It's a glass teapot and it's hand blown, handmade glass. You get, a little recipe guide. There's a little recipe guide in this. There wasn't a recipe guide in the last one. Tells you how to make iced coffee, milky tea. You can use this for coffee as well. Now, it is an infuser. You can pop herbal tea in this, or you can make your own. There's some nice recipes in there. Oh, look, this one's got a little cleaner. It didn't have that in the last one. You've got this little gadget for cleaning it. Now, it does tell you that it is dishwasher safe, but it is better to wash it by hand. If you put some baking soda in with it, it cleans the glass of the tea stains really, really well. Now, this one also has this little stand. It's got a little stand to go with it. This is a really pretty one. So's the other one. I like herbal tea. And it does say that you can put coffee in it. It's really nice. It's a pretty design, isn't it? If you take all the metal parts off, you can actually put that in the microwave. It does say that it's microwave safe, but not with the metal, only with the glass piece. So if you've got some tea and you want to heat it up and pop it in the microwave, make sure you take all the metal off it. That little stand, is that for that? It's not a very big stand, is it? Oh, I would be a bit... Definitely that's what the stand is. But anyway, the infuser, this actually just clips in. It clips on there. And this is the fine mesh infuser. Now I've got some tea. Hang on, I'll go get my tea. Got some dry tea. Now what this one's got that the other one didn't have, it's got a little handle. The other one didn't have that. That's cool. So I've got my dry tea in there. I did try the other one with coffee and it does work. This one, the infuser drops right down. You can put tea bags in. You can just put your tea bag in. Now, I'll be honest, I cut these open and put them in. But anyway, I do have herbal tea bags because I do like herbal tea. And this is a lid. And the lid's got holes in it so that it lets the steam out and doesn't cause any pressure. Now, I'm a bit dubious about this wooden thing. I would have expected that to be a little bit bigger. It just keeps it off your work surface. It's so pretty. Now, it says the spout is a non-drip spout. The other one's non-drip as well. And do you know what? I didn't bring a cup. I'll need to find a cup. Got my hot water. I'm going to hold the handle and just pour it in. Oops, you're getting a bit steamy there. I'll move that out of the way. We'll put the lid on. But I'm going to try and see if that is. I don't see a picture of it to see if that little wooden thing is for the teapot. But look at this. This is so pretty. It's such a pretty tea. That's not even hot. That is, but that's not. But it's such a pretty, pretty teapot. Look at that. It's a pretty teapot. So you just leave it to infuse. And it takes a high heat. So that was boiling water straight out the kettle into there. Now you can use this for cold as well. You could put ice cubes in and you can pour in herbal tea. You can make coffee with it. You could put ice cubes in that diffuser and you can make iced coffee as well with it. It's nice and thick and it says it's stove top safe. I never put mine on, so I've got gas, and I've never put mine on. I've just used boiling water from the thing. Well, pour out my little cup of tea. Look at that. This is a chamomile and orange infused dry tea. It's a Twinings one, in case you're looking for it. It's not, I'm telling you that Twinings tea is cheap. But that was a tea bag that I opened up, and I've got my tea, and it's just nice. There's nothing floating in it. And you can see down inside there. The dark you can see is the camera reflecting on it. But look at that, it is so pretty. It's really nice to sit there as well. A great gift. A really great gift. I'm going to move my tea out of the way so I don't spill it. If you're looking for something for someone who drinks a lot of tea, I'm going to use that. It's a little bit hot now that I've put my tea out with it. It's a little bit hot now that I poured my tea out. I just want to turn it so you can see how pretty this is. It's a beautiful gift as well. It would make an absolutely beautiful gift. I love it that you can see the tea colour through it. And it definitely works for coffee. I have tried coffee in it, but I bought the coarse ground coffee. That's what I used, was the coarse ground coffee. Put it in the diffuser, poured my water over it, and it made a lovely pot of coffee. It's really pretty. I'm trying to turn it so you can see that. I would have liked to have seen this being a little bit bigger though. I don't feel confident. Or maybe that's for the lid. Maybe that's, nope, that's not for the lid. But it's so pretty. So all the metal is stainless steel, but remember, if you're going to heat it up, make sure you take all the metal off it. It all comes off. But I love it that it's got, that's not hot, even though that's hot steamy water. But I love it that it's got that little carrying handle there. If I can get that out. I really do like, maybe need to poke something in there. It's a little bit hot. I like that it's got that little carry handle so you can pull that infuser out of there. Brilliant. I really like this. Nice, sturdy glass handle. And the handle is not hot. The handle, even right down to there, it's not hot. It's warm right down there, but it's not here at all. It's not hot. Great. So if you're looking for a really nice special gift, then try getting one of these. I'll leave the links underneath the video, and they're not expensive. They look so expensive. It looks really expensive, but you can get one of these for under £20, and it is so pretty. A beautiful, beautiful gift. So I want to thank PluieSoleil for sending this teapot, and this is it here. I can put that down there. That's a heat resistant mat that I've got here. So it's a really pretty teapot and a really fair price as well, especially if you want to buy one for yourself if you drink a lot of tea and coffee, or if you know someone that likes to use dry tea. But you can, like I said, you can just put a tea bag in there. You can just pick your tea or your herbal tea up and put it in there and pour your water in the same. And I want to thank the company for sending this to me to review. It helps the channel. Doing these reviews helps my channel out a lot. And you can help the channel as well just by clicking the subscribe button. It's completely free to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.